This is how you repair an inset cooker when the door latch breaks. The roller came out from the door latch, and the way to repair it is to buy a new latch, or you have to dismantle the whole front of the oven, which is a bit of a pain. So come up with an idea how to do it. I bought some magnets from eBay, very strong magnets they are, and I glued them using a metal glue. Stick them onto there, top and bottom, and then the same on the door, top and bottom. Got a spare one there. Making sure you put the magnets the right way around, because two positives or two negatives, obviously they won't stick together, they'll push each other apart. And then when they get close, okay, you hear that click? Lovely, the door is fixed.